I think in both extremes, we're seeing in the warmer weather, summer climates. I think what we have seen in the Pacific Northwest historically, we're seeing so many more very hot extreme days. And I mean, pushing the limits of, I think, what so many of our gardens were assumed to be able to handle, and our plants really suffering from it. I think just our edible gardens really changing from that. And I think a lot of stories that I've heard of local farms in the area, the crops that they're able to grow or not grow anymore, shifting because of climate change. I think on the other end of it, on the winter side, we're seeing a lot of shifts to how harsh winter climates are hitting us. And I think similarly affecting how much plants can survive throughout the course of winter, because they are not meant to survive these freezing streaks that we have. And yeah.